Now I would like to show you some hi-hat variations. First, I'm going to show you it used on 1 and 3. I'm going to use my figure from 2D, adding the hi-hat on 1 and 3. 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I'm going to move the hi-hat to 2 and 4. Sounds like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Finally, I'm going to use the hi-hat with the Sundklave in a 2-3 position. 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4.